Okay, made it up to the first platform. Came from down yonder. I didn't bring the GoPro, so I didn't know we were doing this. So we came up this steep incline here. We're up on a little platform with this gigantic tree. Trying to get some good vibes off this tree here to, do something up there. There's the big tree. And you can look around over here. See this side here. Looking down in the jungle there. Yeah. Looks like a little misty over there. I don't know. A little creek down there somewhere. And then we got this other jobby here that we're going to have to cross. And yeah, looks good. Thought there might be a little breeze up here, but there's more canopy going there. Take a swallow the bug. Okay. Okay, just climbed the stairs. Little benches up here you want to rest. We're up a little higher here. And came from these stairs right here. Which are kind of steep, but you take your time going up. And there's the other platform from whence we came. And the other one where we're going. Okay. It's about almost 5:30 in the evening here, so it's getting a little dark, but that's okay. All right. Okay, just came across that one. Came up to here, another platform with a view. Another one we got to cross next. Going to do a little panorama here. Gonna try to take it slow. Just all foliage here, you know. It's just jungle. That's right. You're good. There's jungle up here. Some guy wires. Maybe the orangutans use them to get around, maybe. I don't see any orangutan poop here or anything. Alright. Get ready for the next challenge here. Okie dokie. Well, successfully navigated that one. Then we come around here. We got another high one up above us. Another platform to climb up to. And then go across over to there, and there's another double platform, and they keep getting like higher and higher. But that's not too bad. The little tree here, get some good vibes from the tree here. Alright, made it up to another tower. We got another one to go. Another double tower. We keep going up and up and up here. So this is the steps from whence we came. I don't know if you can see it down there is the lower level. And here's the big winding steps. We're up here and pretty much the same jungle. We're trying to get to the top of the canopy here, which would be kind of nice. A micro breeze, but thankful for that. Okay, I'm using the phone. I forgot to bring the GoPro. I didn't know we were coming up here. I'm a sweat ball. Sweat ball. You can see sweat all over me. It's almost having projectile sweat here. So it's hot, humid, nary a breeze. Teeny tiny breeze here. But I'm about to go on this other one here and then go up to those two towers up there. Take a little rest here. Kid needs a little rest here. You know how it is. So, but doing this all for you folks out here. Okay. Sweating like crazy for the team here. All right. Bye-bye.